Literally sweating. This is like major sweat. I don't think I'm late. I was like, I don't want to carry a suitcase, so I'm like taking my jhola. I don't know, I'm in a jhola phase. I like girls like designer bags. I like jholas that are jute jholas. Bro, I'm sweating like a pig. Let me show you all. Wait. Why did I see sweating like a pig? You pig sweat. I've never seen a sweaty pig. But this is the update. It legit looks like I'm running away from home. I'd never run away from home because there's a lot of packing involved, and then I'd be like, what if I need to come back and get stuff? The heat is heating. I forgot my camera. I'm really good at this. So today is a long day. If I may say so myself, I'm in a good mood. Thank God. This just goes to show. Yesterday you would have been a bad mood, and then today you would be in a good mood. Parvati's on the floor. I'm in this elevator. I've got another 6 floors to go. I just thought I'll update y'all. There's no mirror. I don't know what. Oh my god, there's an amazing shadow though. It's doing me justice? Is it? I think it is. Oh, this is so nice. Hi, Oracle! My Ori. Chaitanya, you need to start vlogging. He's like, no. So Chaitanya has the best collection of tea, coffee, everything. It's crazy. He's a tea connoisseur and coffee connoisseur. Yeah. And Ori likes the brownies. There's no maida in it. There's no sugar. Please don't come at me for giving a puppy chocolate. It's good for them. So what are we shooting today? So, yeah, I'm getting Chaitanya on the spot. We'd even ask. Starting with hair and makeup. This is our beautiful Aishwarya.
Hi guys.
Yes, and I feel horrible because she has to straighten all this right now. But we have a lot of time.
No, it's fine.
Yes, and it's going to be an exciting day. I'm going to try to vlog the whole thing because normally what happens is I'll start and then midway I just stop.
I know. There are only 3 people, so easily ho jayega.
हो जाएगा नहीं, it's not that. वो जल्दी last time Chaitanya and I were shooting alone and I literally forgot. I was like, just finish that because also it was so hot that time.
Yeah.
Like a month back. But I have to tell you the story I was telling Aishwarya and Chaitanya. So what happened was that I love shopping from Sarojini Nagar. Sarojini Nagar is the best place on planet Earth to shop for clothes. And I had picked up these pair of shorts and they needed alteration. So what happened was that there used to be this drunk tailor that used to work. He used to be under this tree. And I was like, I'm going to let him alter things. I drink. I don't think alcohol is bad. So I'm like, let him alter these pair of shorts for me. The waist was really needed to be taken in. This dude makes everything the same size. A lot of tailors do this. And I'm like, bro, you think that my hips and my waist, how am I going to pull this up? Like it's tighter on the waist now, but my butt is not fitting in this. And he took 200 rupees from me and went and got drunk. And he just disappeared for a while. And I'm like, let me go check out where this man is. Anyway, long story short, I had to cut these shorts on my own, add fabric and stitch. Thank God for needlework lessons we had in school. So, don't judge a book by its cover. But, I don't know. There's no moral of this story. There's no moral of this story.
Maybe we should shoot in our hotels and
Yeah. So now for the first look, we are straightening my hair and then we'll build from there. And after this, the hair's going to be a messy bun. And then she's doing Hollywood waves. And then after that, again, it's just messy open. Then for the outdoor look, she's going to redo my makeup and everything. I'll keep you all updated. Hopefully. Makeup for the first look. And then we build from here. It's very neutral, natural. But there's nothing natural about this. Hair is straight. This is the first outfit. We're doing the sweater with this linen shirt top and these pants. So now the thing is that they say linen or like this is also cotton. Cotton and wool should never be mixed even for energy. So the whole idea is that the patterns, prints, fabric, everything is very chaotic. Then we have these looks. This is everything lined up. So I'll go and change now. First look. I was just telling Aishwarya I'm getting the ick just looking at myself because I would never wear so many different things personally, but I think it's gonna work. We're just figuring out heels or no heels. I'm gonna ask Chaitanya. Chaitanya, you think heels or no heels with this? Black heels, stilettos, yes or no? Yes? Okay, he's saying yes. So what happened with this shoot was, why am I shooting? I was listening to this song and then I just felt like I need to shoot something, and I was planning a shoot with Aishwarya as a makeup artist, and Chaitanya and I keep shooting, but then we not usually I do my own hair and makeup. So we kept planning and nothing was happening. It had been over a year. I wake up in the morning and I just start annoying people. Not annoying people, but then I was like, listen, we need to shoot. I hadn't decided the looks, nothing was planned. I was just like, I know I want to shoot. And then the morning of the shoot, I mean, the night before, I was trying to figure out what to shoot, what to wear, and everything. But then the morning of the shoot, I was like, you know what? I just wanted to be all over the place. I've never done something like this with like a lot of prints, and I mean, not intentionally. I've done it when I'm being styled by a stylist, like a professional. But then I was like, I just want something to like really out of character, and that is why this look came about. How this look came about. All the other looks also were planned the morning of the shoot, and I was like, so there's a tie around my neck that I've used as a choker, and I had shot with with this sweater a long time back, and I just feel like I was in a bad space that time in life, and I was like, you know what, I want to change my memory with this sweater and make it a more happier or a memory where I feel like I'm in control. I feel like, you know, music that happens, you listen to a song and it'll remind you of a person, and then you stop listening to that song. So I think you should just change your memory, rewire that memory. This is your sign. With the first look, I'll put some BTS shots of it. Now we are going to the next one. So for this, Aishwarya is just going to, she's just tied my hair into a bun. She's going to add some texture to the flicks in the front, and she's going to just put some blush, brighten my face up, because the first one was more no makeup, editorial vibe. Now it's more like pretty girl next door vibe because it's a skirt and a top. So she's just going to add on to this and you build. So now we're just looking at the pictures to understand if you've got the shot or not. Because when you're shooting, it's very difficult to, you know, keep stopping and going and looking at what you've gotten. I mean, I think you should just shoot for a bit and then go look at the screen, because if you keep going and looking at the screen is very distracting. So I think that, you know, once you feel like you've shot for a good amount of time, you go and look at the screen and then you figure out if you've gotten the type of shots you want. Like for example, you want a mid or close up or whatever, and then that way you get the best of both worlds. You're shooting also and you're getting your results too. I think it's very important to be in the moment. Everyone has their own methods. I've seen a lot of models prefer looking at each shot as they go. But personally, I just believe that it's better to just do whatever you feel like doing in the moment, flow, pose, do all that, and then later you just see the result, and then you see it for yourself, like what you're doing. You can also rectify it. I mean, both ways work, but this is what works for me personally. So, yup. We are preparing for our third look. We are doing a very good job. I'm going to compliment us. खुद की बड़ाई करो, दुनिया की बड़ाई होगी. I don't know, that doesn't make a lot of sense. The next one, yeah, I'm become a sherni. Yeah, so this is her favorite look. Chaitanya, I don't think the sweater one is your favorite now.
No?
Is it still your favorite?
Let's see. I'll tell you after we finish off.
He's very diplomatic. He's very smart. So this is her favorite because of the makeup and everything. But I think she killed it with this makeup, like the second one especially.
For sure.
So I'll show you all the final look. We're done with the hair for our next look. This is how it's looking. It's looking nice. I think Essie is looking good. Falling on the face. Now we just have to add on more with the makeup. I know I keep saying that, but I'm going to show you in a bit. It's going to be like a reddish lip, wing liner, very glam. That's what Aishwarya was saying. So I'll show you in the outfit also. Yeah, it's looking really nice texture. And we are back. The lip is done. This is the outfit. She's just adding some highlighter.